Hi students, today we are starting with linkage and recombination. Linkage is the physical association of genes. Recombination means generation of non-parental gene when they combine together is known as recombination. Morgan studied linkage and recombination in Drosophila melanogaster. He carried out several dihybrid crosses in Drosophila to study genes that were sex-linked. The crosses were similar to the dihybrid cross only. For example, Morgan hybridized yellow-bodied white-eyed female to brown-bodied red-eyed male and their intercross F1 progeny. He observed that the two genes did not segregate independently of each other and the F2 ratio deviated very significantly from 9:3:1 ratio. His group knew that the genes were located on the X chromosome and he saw quickly that when the two genes in a dihybrid cross were situated on the same chromosome, the proportion of the parental gene combinations were much higher than the non-parental type. He told it is due to the physical association or linkage of the two genes and coined the term linkage to describe this physical association of genes on a chromosome and the term recombination to describe the generation of non-parental gene combinations. Morgan and his group also found that even when the genes were grouped on the same chromosome, some genes were tightly linked. Result of two dihybrid crosses conducted by Morgan. Cross A shows crossing between gene Y and W and cross B shows crossing between gene W and M. Here dominant wild type alleles are represented with plus sign. We'll see here now these are parents. This is female, this is male, these are parents. Here it is cross B. Now we will compare between both of them. This first one is yellow white crossed with wild type, F1 generation, wild type and yellow white. This is F1 generation. Then here resultant was, this is parental type, this is 98.7% and this is recombinant type, that is 1.3%. In F2 generation, you can see on the screen, this is wild type, this is white, this is yellow white and this is yellow. This is F1 generation. This was A cross. When we are talking about the B cross, here white miniature is crossed with wild type. You can see gametes in what manner? Parental 62.8%, here recombinant 37.2% and here parental was 98.7%. You can see the difference between both of them. Resultant was wild type, here miniature, here white miniature and here it is again white. This is F2 generation, this is wild type, this is miniature, this is white miniature and this is white. You can see the difference between both of them. These two crosses were done. Difference of the gametes, difference of the F1 generation and then difference of F2 generation which was the resultant of selfing of F1 generation. Two different type of cross were done in Drosophila melanogaster by Morgan. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.